na-eme nke ọma ebulie ya elu si ya jide nke oji na-aga n'ihu biko ka anyị gbakọ kịta wee kelee Eze-Ana adịghị adị Eze-Ana Ugochi Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu nwoke ọma na oraifite ị ga-adị ọdịnala bụ eziokwu ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ ị ma na o nwere olu na-eti mkpu na-asị ụmụ Igbo chigharịa ụmụ Igbo chigharịa kwa mbọsị ọ na-eti n'ụtụtụ n'abalị ọ nọ na nkụzi Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu onye ọma na oraifite onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'ihu Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu onye mmanya ji eme ọnụ ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'ihu Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu onye ọma na oraifite onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'ihu Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu onye mmanya ji eme ọnụ ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'ihu Eze-Ana ga-adị Ugochi tubelu ga-adị Ugochi tubelu tempụl ọ ya adị maka na eziokwu anwa jaja ndị okenye ga-adị ndị oche ga-adị fọdụ sikala aka ghọrọ ụmụ Igbo si anyị rapụ nke anyị na nke faka mma buru Baịbụl bịa akwụkwọ akụkọ wepekwa chọọchị fa okpuru ụka adakwa mana Ugochi tubelu ekweghị ekwe Eze-Ana si na ọma mme ọdịnala amanwụ ọmanwụ jaja oge ọbụla ọ na-eti ọ nọ na nkụzi Chukwu abịa ma gbaa gị ume ọdịnala ya dị Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu onye ọma na oraifite onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'ihu
ụtụtụ ọma na ụmụ ọdịnala Igbo abịakwana m n'oge awa nke eziokwu oge anyị ji awa eziokwu niile agba nke ọ bụ m nwa Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu na-anọ n'isi ya n'ụbọchị tata ụbọchị orie a sị m na orie ga-eritere anyị ihe ọma ma dịpụrụ anyị ihe ọjọọ nkụzi anyị ji wee bịa n'ụbọchị tata bụ taboo ihe bụ alụ na Igbo spirituality. That is exactly what you must know. Nke a bụ isiokwu anyị. Then ihe ndị ọzọ fọziri n'ogbo ọkwa dị mkpa echefuna na aja anyị na-achụ kwa ọnwa nke ọnwa April ga-ebido n'April 5th. So if you want to partake in that group rituals, then chat them na WhatsApp, forward your 3 prayer requests, then send your token to the account number. Chat me on my WhatsApp number for more details. 0805 7837 672. 0805 7837 672. Again, if you want to watch any of our Nollywood movies, please, we have, don't expect it to see it on my YouTube channel. Yes, Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochi channel. You will go to our newly created channels for movies. 1, you go to Ugochi movies productions. You can watch all our movies from season 1 to season 11. And the complete movie, you watch it there. Then you can also watch it in Nigerian Ordinana Nollywood movies. The 2 channels are owned by the temple. So you can watch any of our movies and upcoming movies. You only watch it there, no longer on this platform for evangelization. Then another thing also, echefuna n'ụbọchị Mondays and Thursdays and Sundays bụ ụbọchị anyị ji enwe rehearsal n'Ugochi na temple for the upcoming movie people. If you have any talent in any field, could be any field in movie production, please indicate, send message on my WhatsApp. I've already told you we are building a Nollywood movie, a village in Oraifite. So very soon, once we start work there, building all those epic houses, I will let you know. Send, we'll take them pictures and videos, you will see it. Then, but meanwhile, if you have talent in anything, department in movie production, let me know. Like I said, today we will start our first movie production using the upcoming actors and actresses. So that is it. Then we have other topics like today. Our movie today is The Angers of the Gods. Then from first to fourth, we shoot another movie called The Consequence of Okite. So you watch out for these movies in our YouTube channels. Then ka anyị gaba n'ihu n'isiokwu anyị bịara ụbọchị tata. Then echefuna maka ndị ọbụta abụ izi ha na-afụ m afa mbụ Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu Oraifite. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja na Ugochi tubelu na Taboo. Anyị na-agba afa miri emi nwekwazi ọnụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazi m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Prayer Ministry. Ụbọchị Monday na ụbọchị Thursday ka anyị ga-ekwubi okwu n'isi our fans and friends all over the globe, the friends of the temple and children of the temple. Ka bụ ihe kwesịrị ịma. Then the thirdly bụ na ọ bụrụ na n'ịchọrọ ihe ọzọ ị kwesịrị ịma gbasara anyị, abụga m onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo, and my mission is to help people live better life. So n'ụbọchị taa n'isiokwu anyị, gee ntị ma gee ntị ka ọmụma karị 20 minutes, so ige ntị mụta ihe ya bara uru. N'isiokwu anyị, gịnị bụ taboo? Anyị wee kọwaa na taboo bụ ihe akpọrọ alụ in ọdịnala Igbo spirituality. Wee kọwara na onwe ebe ọbụla emere alụ na free. N'ala Igbo na-abụ ezinụlọ maọbụ onye ọbụla mere alụ na-akwụ alụ. That is the only way you can do appeasement and to show make-up, to show sorry, that you are really sorry for what happened and you promise never to do again. Yes. Ịgba alụ abụrụ kind of confession. No. Confession, people can confess today, next week they go again, next week they go again. But in alụ, once you do it, you are sure that you will not do it again. So that is the thing. Then ihe ọzọ nchọrọ ịkọwara gị bụ ka mmadụ ga-atụ ndị ma nkụzi mana nna gị like ihe ọmụmatụ. David n'onwe kọmitiri alụ and ọ kwụrụ ụgwọ, ọ tara ahụhụ ihe gbasara ya bụ alụ ahụ kọmitiri. Alụ ahụ kọmitiri bụ na he knows the idea of sleeping with somebody's wife. And because of na o bu ya idea n'obi, ọ kọmitikwa alụ ọzọ n'elu alụ kọmitiri bụ igbu ọchụ. David nọ n'ime ebe ya n'ime ụlọ enu ya wee fụ nwaanyị, nwa beautiful woman na-asa ahụ wee nwee lost after her, wee jụba kere nwaanyị dị ya, wee kwee na ọnwụ na onye agha ya. O wee sị ndị agha si were di ya tinye n'ihu ọgụ ka e gbuo ya. Ị na ọ dawa ọsọ oche na ọ ya ghọrọ Chineke na ụdị ka ọ bụzi na ya na-anụ nwaanyị aja. Mana mmụọ afụgo na ihe o melụ impure act and the bad intention. For that reason, o mesi anya bụ ife n'anya mmadụ ọsọsọ idiri maka na o mesịrị n'anya nwa beautiful woman. Beautiful woman na-amụtara onye a na-akpọ Absalom. Absalom ahụ ọ mụtara ya maka na ọ bụ ihe abụmọnụ na ihe jọrọ njọ n'anya Chineke. Absalom ahụ mesịalụ nwụọ, si ya na nwa ahụ amụtara ya ga-anwụ. Mana before Absalom nwụọ, Absalom slept with David's wife. Maka Absalom si nwụ, Absalom jesiara agha na-anata. Horse tinye ya n'isi ekore n'isi Absalom nwụọ. So ihe na-achị kọwa bụ na any abominable act committed can never go unpunished. That is the simple truth. Yes, no matter how you look at it. Now let me cite another example for you, because I normally like to cite examples. If you forget what I said, you remember the instances I gave. Now there's a man called Cain and Abel. You know the story, yes. Cain killed his brother Abel because of competition and jealous. Now, after he committed that, he said, the cry of that mother, abominable act, cry unto the Lord. And there is severe punishment to Cain for doing that dastardly act. Even in this, okay, let me use Bible, because I know majority of my fans have once come across Bible. The Israelites, they committed dastardly act, committing murder. to kill whoever. They murdered him on the cross. And they said, they understand the rules. That whenever he committed any abominable act, it's upon your head and your generation. So to avoid such curse upon your life and your generation unborn, please avoid curse or avoid abominable act like plague. You don't have any reason why you should not avoid it. Believe in me, do you know that abominable act on your part can destroy whatever spiritual work you have done? It can destroy them all. And you will be blaming your spiritualist not doing perfect job. But you are the cause. See, if the spirit want to destroy you finally, they will not even allow some of this abominable act to show in consultation in Alpha. Then you will be living in vainglory, thinking that you are pure. But you know, search your heart. You know that you have committed this act in the past. Believe me, you must speak out. You must first equal and cleansing in order to cleanse your part. If not, you are playing in a Igbo na acha. So what am I advising you? In Igbo, let me pinpoint these things again once more. It's not allowed for a father to sleep with his daughters, no matter how beautiful they are. It's an abominable act. It's not allowed for a mother to sleep with his son. It's an abominable act. It's not allowed for blood relatives to sleep with each other. It's an abominable act. Never you sleep with your brother or your sister. Even if you call them nephew, you call them niece, you call them uncles, and they are bloodline in Igbo land. So avoid it. If you have committed it in the past, believe in me, you must face it. If not, some of these things life you are living will attract negative aura, negative vibration around you, and it will block your path. You will face disappointment. People will like to help you. Tomorrow they change their mind. All these things is a blockage because you are not seeing it, but spiritually it's clouding your path. I'm telling you the truth. Stop blaming whoever that is doing your spiritual work, but he attracted them themselves. Our people said, one of our adage says, he who first anti-infected firewood invited lizard to his house. So you must avoid them. It is not allowed for you to sleep with your father's wife. Do you know that people used to do it? I know one guy confessed to me that he is doing it. For him, he said he is helping his father, old father now. It's wrong. It's wrong. I will say it and say it aloud. Don't, you see, as long as your father is still alive, is his wife. Yes, if for any reason, maybe your father is very old and marry a young wife, maybe of your age, and for any reason you want to marry her, it must be after the death of your father. Then meet your community elders. They will tell you what to do. You must follow all the necessary process. If not, forget about it. You get? Yes, but if the man is still alive, and you plan like David to kill the man in order to start the process, you are still where you are. So abominable act is abominable act. Don't corner it, or you put your hand in committing blood, like committing murder in any form. Once you split blood, you must face the consequence of taboo. Let me tell you, in my village, there is this particular, some of our clan people, they ran away olden days because they committed murder and they know the consequences of cleansing. It's not easy. It's not just like you meet your 11 father, I did this, I did okay. One Hail Mary, one our father. I said her before. It's not like that. So abominable act must be cleansed, and for you to submit yourself for such act, you must be remorse, show deep remorse that look, this thing will never do it again, and that you are deeply sorry for what you have done. See, if you have not gone to this point of showing deep remorse, forget it. This is not confession. It's deeper because this thing is what you must do before the land. You understand? So what am I saying? That avoid those abominable acts because they will destroy your life, destroy your future, and destroy everything you have labored for. It will bring some things. It will make you, as in, you will be thinking that there is witches and wizards after you. You will be thinking that your village people are doing charms against you not to succeed. But believe in me, you committed this act. It's atrocities. It's atrocity that must be forbidden. There are atrocities that must be forbidden. So run away from such acts, it will destroy you. I'm not talking not to talk about men sleeping with their fellow men. It's an abominable act. Yes, you cannot do it because you are not following natural process. It is like you are moving against law of nature. And by moving against law of nature, you will be attracting something unusual. You are creating phantoms that will be tormenting you tomorrow. So a man sleeping with fellow man is a taboo. Yes, people don't want to say it, but it's a taboo. Forgetting whether it's past legislations approval, that doesn't count anything. We Africans, we have culture and values, and no civilization will destroy it. So you cannot see if you're a man and you are lusting after fellow man. Okay, I don't want to use some certain words, but what I can tell you is that all is not well with you. You need help. I don't want to use some words that the rules and regulations will consider as impure words. But what I can tell you that if you are committing such, it's not good. Maybe you need a kind of counseling. Yes, it's not done anywhere because it's not natural laws. It's not the mundane laws. It's not ordained by the creatures, by the creator of the whole universe. Even the natural forces will not support it. The natural beings will not support you because what you are doing is against natural laws. That God Almighty created man and woman. He did not create man and man. He did not create John and Thomas. You understand? He created male and female. He created John and Genevieve. That is how he created it. So once you are turning it the other side, what you are trying to do is to make what is natural, what it should be natural, not to be so. And by so doing, go and read Genesis chapter 1 from 1:27 down. He said he created, go and multiply and dominate. By man getting married to man or man getting married to animal, will you procreate? The answer is no. At the end of the day, you still go to look for somebody to adopt as your child. Are you okay? You understand? You are not okay. You are not normal because what you now say you don't want. You don't want procreation, but you want somebody to be there to serve you or to continue your lineage because you have money. Okay, if everybody decides to go your way, who will you now adopt tomorrow? So you can see that what you are doing is against natural laws. You understand? So what am I saying? The same thing with woman. So if you're a woman, you are lusting against after another woman. What you are doing? Yes, I know some people will be saying human rights. How will I hold you? I'm only telling you what Igbo spirituality says. I'm not forcing you. I'm only telling you for you to know. Say this word I have heard it before. So the choice is yours. But what I'm telling you is that if you decide to be living your life this way, know that you blame yourself tomorrow. Don't start looking for your spiritualist to blame for all the things that may be coming after you, because you already distorted the natural process. You have already distorted their spiritual vibrations because of what you created. You know, man is the product of what he created. So let me stop here. If you have question in what I just said today's lecture, send message to me on WhatsApp 0805 78 37 672. Network and a share button so that your brothers and sisters will hear from the horse's mouth. What am I saying in essence? Don't keep quiet when such a thing have taken on form in your life in the past. You must speak out. You must speak out. Call a spade a spade. Don't be doing things because people are doing it. Some people will say, I passed through the dormitory life. I passed through this one. This is not life. This is life you choose by yourself. So I can tell you, if you are finding it difficult believe in me, you need counseling. I can tell you, I will help you. Yes, I have this. I told you that counseling is free at Ugochi Temple. I will help you. Because what you are doing will be attracting the phantoms to you. And those phantoms they are the ones that are attracting Amusu, Akarogedi, to you. You understand? Yeah? They are the ones that are attracting Amusu and Akarogedi to you. And those Amusu and Akarogedi around you is not good for you. Emecha ihe a m kwuru taa metụ aka na share button. Ọ ga-adịkwa n'ụdị oge a echi niile bụ Friday n'oge awa nke eziokwu by 9 a.m. ya gazie n'ọkụ.